Cyber fraudsters who reportedly fleeced JMMB out of $50 million have been apprehended. More from Daineda Rodney.
Law enforcement authorities have charged an organized band of criminals who stole nearly $50 million from an account at JMMB and gained access to sensitive personal data through a cyber scheme. The theft reportedly came to light after the holder of the account visited the financial institution to conduct a transaction and discovered that the account had been hijacked. It was later found that 40 unauthorized wire transfers amounting to $46 million were made from the account between February 15 and February 22 this year. The account was reportedly emptied over a 10-day period. The 5 alleged criminals were apprehended on Tuesday in a series of coordinated operations by the Financial Investigations Division and the Police Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Division. Reporting for the news on PBCJamaica, I'm Daineda Rodney.